Next up, it's in the water 2 for a lab rat. Before we begin, check out maps.techno.co where you'll find this video as well as thousands of others detailing everything you need to know about every quest, each step, and it even rotates based on your faction. Complete quests easier, maps.techno.co, Arena Breakout Infinite, and now Grey Zone Warfare. Next, we need to search Banpar and find anything chemical production related. This is a super simple quest. All you need to do is head across to Banpar, zooming in the Elder's house over here, underneath, which is this place here. Under here, you'll find a door that you need to get into that you need the BP Elder key for. If you don't have it, there is still a workaround that's actually supposed to be in the game. It's not a glitch. It's there for a reason. You'll come around the back side of this and you'll find some things to parkour into it with. Climb up here, then we'll sprint jump onto this pole here. And assuming you don't run out of stamina or aren't shot on the way, it should be easy enough to do. So trying again, we'll need to jump quite a bit later than we think. Also, you do tend to break your legs doing this, so that's fun. Trying again. This time we land on the pole. So you can see there's some stuff in this room here. So we'll need to waddle along to the edge of this right over here. And we should be able to just spam jump and W to get into this room here. Now we've bypassed this locked door and we don't even need to go through it at all. And you can kick it open from the inside. Anyways, inside of here, we'll need to just report findings on this table. And there you go. We're practically done with this. All we need to do now is get back, hand it in, and there you go. Now we're back, we can hand it back in. So there we go. Hopefully you found this video useful. Thank you for watching. My name's been Troubleshoot, and I'll see you all next time. Ciao.